If the drawer on your trash compactor won't open, here are the top 4 most probable causes. A broken door latch may prevent the drawer from being opened. You can use a putty knife or screwdriver to help release the catch if necessary. You will need to fully remove the drawer to replace the old door latch with a new one. A broken or defective drive chain may be unable to raise the ram to its top position, preventing the drawer from opening. You will need to disassemble the appliance to inspect the chain and replace it with a new one if required. The trunnion nuts allow the trash compactor ram to move up and down smoothly and quietly. If one or both of the nuts become stripped, the ram may be stuck in a lower position and the drawer won't open. Again, you will need to disassemble the appliance to inspect and replace a trunnion nut. A damaged foot pedal may not be able to release the drawer assembly, so the assembly can be pulled forward. You can replace the defective foot pedal with a new one to solve the problem. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your trash compactor.